Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar gained 0.3% against the yen in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.7% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The oil-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The US Federal Reserve will hold its federal funds rate steady through most of the first half of next year, according to the latest Reuters poll of economists, who appear settled on the risk of the first reduction coming later than they expect. Thursday's huge price swings in the two largest cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum's Ether, prompted more than $400 million of open trades to get liquidated, the most since the August crash. The Bank of England expects monetary policy will need to remain restrictive for an extended period, but it cannot make hard and fast promises on the outlook for interest rates, BOE Chief Economist Hugh Pill said.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index will be released at 1500 hours GMT. The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 1800 hours GMT. Finland's current account at 0600 hours GMT. Finland's industrial output will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 0700 hours GMT. The UK's industrial production at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.